That's Doofus, Daffy, and PM. I'm kind of running away right now. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and check out our chicken coop. See if there's any eggs I can devour. No, that's fine. Well, maybe I missed like I'm not sure. So I remember. I don't know if you guys remember. We had we had that one. Now we had a new one. What the heck is that? Damn spider. What's that? Seems like more dangerous than ever. Is that poop? That's probably his poop. And then you got that thing, the big old fart. Let's go into the wilderness. So this is Gino Gomez, headed in the Cairo jungle of the chickens. Very scary stuff around here. Samalo. I heard some very, very dangerous creatures. Round one. There better not be no damn tick on my damn head. Alright, let's go in. Oh, it's nasty in here. I don't know what the hell it is in here. We got no pick. We got no. Yeah. Oh, it's freaking. Let's do a little tour. Oh my! I stepped on poop. Poop everywhere. Let's put the effect again. You can see a little picture. Okay, let us bounce. Boy, I just want to put my hands on what you do right now, bro. Look at my hands. Alright. Ah! That hurts. Oh, got dirt on my freaking phone. Son of a biscuit. Let me change the camera view.